Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create a digital agency or digital marketing Instagram post in Canva. Let's get started. Click on the Elements and Under Frame section. Add this frame. Adjust frame size according to page. Now let's add an image in the frame. Click on Photos and search City. Add any photo of your choice. Set transparency 43%. Now let's add a businessman image. To add this logo section in your post, click on Elements. Add circle. Set transparency to 88%. Add your company name and logo. Now, let's add About Us details. Change text color into white. But white colored text not clearly visible, right? So let's add transparent background as shown on the screen. Add your company details. Add call number and email it of your company. Let's check the final output now. To get this template for free, keep on watching. Click on the link and you will be redirected to this page. Now just enter your first name, email ID, and click on the Get Now button. You will get this message on the screen and email in a few minutes. After a few minutes, you will get an email. Just open the email, and you will find a button Get Access Now. You will be redirected to this page, where you will get ready to use template. Just click on Use Template. Now log into your Canva account, or if you don't have an account, just create one. Click on Edit Design. Now it's easy to edit the elements with a few clicks. You can change the color of the design, edit text, add images and many more. Just do changes as per your choices. Done with design. You can download this design and use for your business marketing. Thank you.